Friends, we come to the ring structure of glucose. We have already seen the open chain structure, which is called Fischer projection formula of glucose, and this was actually based upon the chemical evidences. But the fact is, there are some chemical properties which could not be explained on the basis of the open chain structure of the glucose, that is the Fischer projection formula of the glucose. Hence, it becomes necessary to write another structure for glucose which will explain all the properties. जो chemical properties फिशर प्रोजेक्शन फार्मूला ने नहीं एक्सप्लेन किया वो कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा? साइक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ग्लूकोज. सो दैट इज also known as ring structure of glucose. What is the reason that we are studying the ring structure of the glucose? Though we have already done with the open chain form in the Fischer projection formula format, there are some chemical reactions, there are some chemical properties of glucose which could not be explained by open chain structure. That's why it becomes necessary to understand and try to close the open chain structure in the form of ring, and that is called the ring structure of the glucose. दो टाइप के रिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स हम ग्लूकोज के देखेंगे. एक तो जो साइक्लिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है विच विल बी कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ द 5 carbon atoms in the ring resembling pyran, and the other one is called Haworth projection formula. We will start with the simple one, that is the cyclic structure of the glucose, also known as the ring structure of the glucose. So let us see how to write the ring structure of the glucose, meaning how to convert the Fischer projection formula of the glucose which we already know in the ring formula. First we are writing the simple Fischer projection formula for glucose which we already know from our previous videos. Now, how the ring structure of glucose is written? It is by doing addition of OH group at C5 to CHO group. How to convert open chain into ring format? By addition of OH which is present at 5th carbon atom to CHO group, that is C1. CHO देखो कौन से पोजीशन पे होता है? ऑलवेज फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे. सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ मीन्स दिस OH group we want to add to this carbonyl group. We know how to add alcohol to aldehyde. Whenever alcohol is added to aldehyde, we will get hemiacetal structure. मतलब इधर जो ring structure बनने वाला है, it is going to be hemiacetal structure. Okay, so how to write those two structures? See, this O and H I want to add to this carbonyl group, and we know carbonyl group oxygen is negative and carbon is positively charged. If I see the charge distribution, so oxygen is more electronegative, so it is negatively charged, hence it will take up this H plus on it, and this O which is minus or negatively charged, it will be attached to the carbon. I am talking about this carbonyl group which is present here. Okay, तो ये जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप है इसमें चार्ज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऐसा होने की वजह से ये जो OH है वो कैसे ऐड होगा? द H plus will be added to O and the this O minus will be added to C plus. Okay, so let us write the structures. CH2OH will be as it is, and as we move up, this O, we will show this O bonded to the first carbon atom. Okay, the first carbon atom is suppose this one, second, third, fourth, ये तो फिफ्थ था ही. अभी ये जो फर्स्ट कार्बन है, this has also become chiral. Okay, because of addition of the OH group which is at the C5 to this carbonyl group, this carbon also becomes a symmetric, that is it becomes chiral in nature. If I am writing OH group on left hand side, this is newly generated OH group. ये OH कहाँ से आया है? ये वाला H जो था वो ऑक्सीजन, ये वाले ऑक्सीजन को ऐड हुआ तो ये OH बन गया, राइट. एंड H was already there. बाकी सब आपको एज इट इज लिखना है. OH, H, OH, right? This OH got added. Here it will be H. Here it will be OH and this OH है तो इधर H. Now because at the first carbon atom OH is written on left hand side, this is newly generated OH. If we write that on left hand side, it is called as beta D glucose. Okay. Beta D glucose क्या बताता है कि जो OH group है at the first carbon atom, it is on the left hand side, so that is called beta isomer. The two isomers that we are getting due to the nucleophilic addition of this OH at the C5 to the aldehyde group are known as anomers. अब ये anomers क्या होते हैं? ये isomers होते हैं अल्फा एंड बीटा, जिसमें डिफरेंस कहाँ होता है? ओनली एट C1. The rest of the structure is the same for the cyclic structure of the glucose. Only the difference is at the C1. If OH is written on left side, it is called beta anomer. If it is written on the left side, it is known as alpha D glucose, that is alpha anomer. और ये जो कार्बन है ना, जो अभी अभी कायरल बना है, the newly generated chiral carbon atom is called anomeric carbon. ये कार्बन को anomeric carbon भी बोला जाता है. ओके क्योंकि यहीं पे सिर्फ डिफरेंस है OH के प्लेसमेंट में, बाकी के जो कार्बन एटम्स है बिलो इट दे हैव द सेम प्लेसमेंट. तो ये मैंने बीटा एनोमर बनाया है. हाउ टू ड्रॉ द अल्फा एनोमर? सिंपली पुट दिस OH हियर एंड H हियर. ओके सो OH हियर and rest of the structures placement of the atoms are as it is. How many carbons I have drawn? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the sixth one? The sixth one is out of this pentagon, means 5-membered ring. Okay. Now this one is known as alpha D glucose. Alpha D glucose because the OH group is on the right hand side. So it is known as alpha D glucose. This one and this one are called anomers of each other because they differ in their structure only at C1. राइट. OH अगर लेफ्ट साइड में है तो बीटा, राइट साइड में है तो अल्फा. Friends, we can see that this cyclic or the ring structure is having 5 carbon atoms in it. क्योंकि ये जो एक कार्बन था, 6th कार्बन, वो तो आउट ऑफ द रिंग चला गया. तो रिंग के अंदर कितने कार्बन है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one member of the ring is oxygen. And hence the cyclic or the ring structure of glucose is a 6-membered heterocyclic compound which resembles pyran. Pyran, you may be knowing, it is this type of the structure. Like this we have pyran, which is having 5 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen atom. It is a heterocyclic compound and heterocyclic इसलिए क्योंकि एक कार्बन के प्लेस पे ऑक्सीजन है. The structure of the glucose that we have written now, ये जो ring structure था, this also resembles this pyran, so it is known as glucopyranose also. Okay, so the first one जो हमने अल्फा डी ग्लूकोज बोला था, it is also known as alpha D glucopyranose, and the second anomer, which is called beta anomer. It is also known as beta D glucopyranose. There is one more way to write the cyclic structure of glucose, and that is called the Haworth projection formula. Okay, it is also simply called Haworth formula. Haworth formula is actually better way than the Fisher projection formula to represent the structure of the glucopyranose. We will see Haworth projection formula in our next video. Bye bye.